Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make a generic calendar. So this way you can make it into whatever month you want it to be. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight boxes A to G and I'm going to merge them. And this is where your month is going to go. So let's just say I wanted it to be September. Okay. So as you can see, I can't see the letters. So what I have to do is just pull it open so that I can see them if this is the size that I want. So I just decided I wanted it to be 32, so that's where it's going to be. So what you're going to do now is your days of the week. So you're going to start with Sunday. You're going to go Monday. And then actually all you have to do now is grab Sunday and Monday, pull them over till you get to G, and it'll fill in the rest of the days for you. So next it's going to be your numbers. So like I said, I'm going to do September, but you can do this however you want for whatever month. So this September happens to start on a Friday. So I'm going to put the 1 here. So then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start pulling open boxes. So if you can see it, I have number 3 highlighted up here for the number, but fourth row, I'm going to pull it open until I get to 7. Okay, now you can do this for number, put a 2 here for Saturday, then go 3, 4, and then once again, pull them and drag them all the way till you get to Saturday. Do the same thing that you did for 4 as you're going to do for 6. Go to 6, pull it open to 9. Because what I'm doing it is I'm kind of pulling it open 3 spots. So then you're going to go, okay, 10, 11, highlight these 2 boxes, pull them all the way over, repeat the same scenario when you get to 8. Pull it open to 11. Then you're going to go 17, 18, highlight them again, pull them, go to 10, pull it to 13, come here and do 24, 25, and then pull them, and there is 30 days in September. Last but not least, you're going to pull 12 open to 15. So now you have to customize it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight my whole calendar, and I want the black borders. So there they are. And then now you can do the coloring. So if you wanted this to be red, whatever colors you want these things to be, now is the time that you're going to customize it. So I'll leave the rest of the customizing to you.